Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make those velvety ornaments with items that I purchased from Hobbylobby. Come on with me, guys. All right, so I'm starting here with these two ornaments that were on sale at Hobby Lobby. So basically, I paid like 98 cents each. Grab your favorite color and also grab some baking soda. And that's what I have right there in that cup. So we're going to start out by painting these. I am like so excited at the end result of this. Wait till you see, guys. So I'm starting here with that apple barrel chestnut color. That's the color I decided to go with. And so we're going to go ahead and give it a coat of this color. We're going to do that to both ornaments. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. And I will be listing all three down below in the description box. Now, once I put the paint on the first ornament, we don't want to let that dry. So what am I doing? I am coating it with baking soda. So once we do that, then we'll go ahead and lay that down. We don't want the paint to dry without the baking soda. So while it's still wet, we're going to coat this really good. And then we're going to move on to the next ornament. So this craft was like so much fun to make, and you can make so many. And so I got these ornaments on sale at Hobby Lobby, but you can use Dollar Tree ornaments, and some of the smaller ones are two for $1.25 or $1.50, not sure. But see, while this ornament is still wet, that's when you want to go ahead and coat it really good with the baking soda. And of course, the paper towels catching that. So as soon as we're done here, that's what we'll be doing. So now if you check the prices out of what these velvet ornaments are costing, especially the size of them, they're going to be costing a lot more than the end result of this. And you're going to be shocked at how beautiful these look. So these can be done for pennies, guys. All right, so I'm going to place these down to dry and I'll come back in about an hour. Now, aren't these looking great all by themselves? And I still have to brush off some of that baking soda, and I already did like most of it, but I wanted to show you. So all you do is lightly brush that baking soda off, and oh my goodness, wait till we go to the reveal. Look how beautiful these are looking. I am just so excited about this project, guys. You have to try it. Okay, let's head on over to the reveal. So aren't these looking amazing? I hope that you guys agree. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.